Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing really well. So for today's video I'm going to create a very colorful rainbow eye makeup. So yeah, if you want to know how did I just get this look, then please keep on watching. So first I'm going to use a Wet n Wild concealer and I'm going to put that all over my eyelid. And after that I'm going to just blend it out and I'm going to set that with some loose powder. Next I'm taking this yellow shade and from the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm going to place this in my inner half. Same eyeshadow palette, not only for orange, for the whole eye makeup I am using the same palette, Morphe 35B. And next I am putting the red shade, but this color is like not that pigmented compared to other colors. So yes, if you want you can totally skip this part and you can directly use the next color, means a pink shade. I think that would be better. Next I'm gonna take a very small blending brush, pack 1 to 6, and I'm just ensuring everything is blended. So yes, I'm just blending it out very nicely. You just make sure the higher you go, you put less pressure. Next I'm going to place a pink shade, and yes, you need a lot of brush if you put one shade with a one brush. So I can give you one suggestion in that case. You can put one shade and you can flip the brush and you can apply the another shade with the same brush. And after that I'm just placing a little bit of highlighter on my inner corner so that it pops up the eye makeup. Moving to my face, I'm going to use a L'Oreal True Match foundation along with the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation. I have recently purchased this foundation and I must say this is one of the best foundation out there, and I'm in the shade Golden Honey. This shade is one shade darker than my skin tone, so that's why I'm mixing this with the L'Oreal True Match, and this one is absolutely perfect for summer. If you are looking for a good foundation for summer, I will highly recommend this one. Concealer, I'm using the same Wet n Wild concealer in the shade medium to deep tan. It's not a highlighting concealer, it matches my skin tone exactly. And next, to set my face as well as to bake my under eye, I'm going to use the Rcma No Color Powder. So this one is another lifesaver product, like a makeup product for summer, I guess. I have been just loving this product. This is another holy grail product for me of this month. I will highly suggest you all to try this one. A bit expensive but worth the money. next, to bronze off my face, I'm going to use the Colorpop topez. So I'm just going to focus on my eye makeup today, and I'm going to keep the rest of my face very simple. After that, for blush, I'm going to use the colorshow blush in the shade Fresh Coral. Moving to my lower lash line, I'm starting off with the green shade and I'm just putting it first, and I'm just make sure I get the enough pigmentation, so I'm just reapplying the product like several times. And next I'm applying the sky blue shade from the same palette, and I'm just placing this right after the green shade, and I just make sure both the colors look like completely blended. And yes, last, using the mauve shade and the navy blue shade, and I'm just putting it in my like outer corner. Last, I'm taking a clean like small blending brush and I'm just blending all the colors together. Next, I'm using the Missclaire kajal in my waterline. And for lipstick, I'm going to use Fling, the shade name from the Milani liquid lipstick. I love this shade. This is such a like light mauve shade. It's really gonna look really nice on each and every one. And next, for falsies, I'm going to apply the eye candy from Kingdom of Lashes. I'm going to set everything with the MAC Fix Plus.
So, if you guys like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. And if you recreate this look, don't forget to tag me in all of the social media sites. Everything will be listed in the description box. So yeah, see you in my next